So in this section, we'll try to cover first two checklist items. So we'll create a GitHub repo, and we'll also create one authentication token so that our Atlantis can interact with Git. Let's see that in action. Yeah, so you have to log into your GitHub account. Then from there, you can click on new repo. Yeah, so you can give it a repo name. I want to keep my repo public. You can keep it private as well. Just add a readme for reference, and let's click on create repo. This will create a repo for me in the background. I will put the code in this repo later on. Now the next step is I have to generate an authentication token so that Atlantis can communicate with my GitHub. So for that, you have to click on your profile icon here. From there, go to settings, then scroll till the bottom, and you have to go to developer settings. From here, go to personal access token, click on classic, and generate new token. From here again, generate new token classic. Now you can give it some name. You can select expiration also. So I don't want this to be a longer running token. I will just keep it 7 days. You can select no expiry also if you want, but that is not secure and not recommended. In the permission section, I have to give him the complete repo permission. That's it. You have to click on now generate token. It will give me a token like this. You have to copy this token, keep it somewhere because we'll be needing this token in the next section. So now we have created a Git repo on which we'll put the Terraform code later on, and we also have created one authentication token. Now let's jump on to configuring the Atlantis server.